students, let us discuss the inverse problems, like how to deal the inverse problem. Two examples I give you. So these are advanced level inverse problems, mostly asked in advance. Let us discuss these questions. The area bounded by f inverse x, the area bounded by f inverse x, x-axis with x-axis, x is equal to -2 and x is equal to 6. When f of x is equal to this is the f of x is given. The given function is f of x is asking f inverse x. F inverse x is asking. Okay. So f of x is this one. Let us take the given function. F of x is what? F of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x plus 2. Correct? So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to, I get as 3x square plus 3. Means if this f dash of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. That you remember. So f of x is this function. X cube function to convert in inverse, it is very difficult. X square function we can convert into inverse, but this is to convert inverse function and making the graph of that and finding the area between them is difficult. So what we do here, we take the f of x function, we do differentiation of this, and f of x is greater than 0, it is an increasing function. If it is less than 0, decreasing function. You need to identify it is an increasing or decreasing function. If f of x is an increasing function, let's the graph of this function is x cube function, right? And you know that it is coming from minus infinity. See here, odd function is having the range minus infinity to plus infinity. So increasing function will be begins from down and goes up. That is the idea. And decreasing function will be begins from the top and goes down. That is the decreasing function formula. So f of x will be increasing function or decreasing function. It is an increasing function. So it is starts from down and it is goes up like this. And how to know it is intersecting at here or here? How to know? Just substitute f of 0. F of 0, if I substitute 0 cube plus 3 into 0 plus 2, that is I am getting 2. So it will cut at 2 and goes. So that is what you have to understand. So what is saying? F of x is the function is given. X is equal to -2. This is x is equal to -2 place. Let us take x is equal to -2. What is going to get it? -2 cube is 8. -8 is equal to 0. You are getting this is 0. See this is the x is equal to -2 place. How I come to know? I just substituted -2 in this. That is -8. Okay. -8, right? -8. And this I am going to get, okay, not this -2. No. It's not going to cut here. Okay, somewhere. This goes like this. It goes like this. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, cutting place is not sure. This cutting place, if I want to find, I have to keep y is equal to 0. If I keep y is equal to 0, then I get the factors of this, then I can come to know what is that. If y is equal to 0, for what value happens, that will be this. But that is not required right now. Right now, no need to find this intersecting point. Now the question is, the area bounded by x-axis means this is the x-axis. X is equal to -2. Let us draw a line. This is x is equal to -2. This is x is equal to -2. And x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 somewhere here. And is asking to find area bounded with x-axis. This area is asking. But this is f of x. Now if I want to find inverse of the function, just before I told you, you can deal this question. Y is equal to 2 also. The line is y is equal to -2. Y is equal to -2, where it is? Y is equal to -2 will be down. Okay. So this is the inverse function. So f of x will be -2. F of x will be what? F of x is equal to what here? F of x is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 2. For this, the y-axis, it should be happen with y-axis. And y is equal to how much? Y is equal to -2 and y is equal to So for this it should be there y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 means where? Down. And y is equal to 6 means where? Here on the top. Y is equal to 6 is here on the top. So let us take this is the y is equal to 6 line. This is y is equal to 6. And y is equal to minus 2. No? Y is equal to, you have one more is what? Y is equal to minus 2. Somewhere here you can take y is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2 and this is y is equal to 6. But if this with y-axis means what here? This is the area is asking to find with y-axis, and this is what the area is asking to find with y-axis. Okay, with y-axis is asking. With x-axis, what will be the answer? With x-axis will be x is equal to minus 2. So you have to find inverse of the function. So we need to see with x-axis, not with the y-axis. So let us find if x value is 6, okay, so what will be the y value? Okay, if x value is 6, what will be the y value? That you have to find out, right? Y value is also 6, right? So what I have to find here now, with y-axis is this, with x-axis is what I have to find, okay? So what you have to do here, you have to find with x-axis, the answer is with x-axis you want to find. See here, you have to find the area by f inverse x. With x-axis, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 6. But if I want to find this one, I have drawn this diagram of f of x. I have drawn the diagram of f of x where y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 6 in between area I am doing. But I need to know, this is not x is equal to 6, okay? This is, I have to find what is the intersecting point of this and what is the intersecting point of this. If I come to know this one, I can find this area, I can find this area, I can find this area, I can find this area if I know the intersecting point here. Here intersecting point, how to know intersecting point? Just here, simple thing, this is the x-axis, okay, this is the x-axis and this is y is equal to minus 2, this is y is equal to 6. In between this area you have to find. So what I do here, the simple thing is, this is x square plus 3x plus 2. This is the curve, and this is the line. Both intersecting point I have to find. So this is the curve name is x square plus 3x plus 2. And this is the line name is 6. Substitute here and find the x intercepting. Then you will get area easily because I have to find the area of this. So what I am going to get here, if this makes 6 here, because I am making x is equal to 6 here, then I am going to get x square plus 3x plus 6 and this side minus 6, that is minus 4 is equal to 0, and take the LCM here and find this answer. X is x square plus 3x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 4. Okay, so minus 4x. Do one thing here, minus 4x plus x. You can, no. You do one thing here. This is minus 4. So x square plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Splitting method. So x take out common x plus 4, and you can take common minus x minus 4 is equal to x plus 4 equal to 0. It means I am getting x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2. So this cannot be this side. This can be this side. So this value is x is equal to 1. This intersecting point is x is equal to 1 because I need to find this area. See here, I make it clear. This is the graph of this function f of x is equal to this graph. And actually if I want to find for this one, I am looking for y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 6. If I find area between this with this is both will be same. I told you before one, the area bounded by this will be same as this. So I cannot find f inverse x now. I will take this area and find this area, and I say this area will be equal to this. And I am not going to take anything of this in the picture of this graph. I am dealing with this only. I am going to deal with this. So y is equal to minus 2 I have taken. This is the line. Y is equal to 6 I took, and the graph I took shaded region with y-axis. This is x-axis is there, so you will get with y-axis. So what is the area with y-axis? So to get that area, I cannot use a dy. Why I cannot use dy? If I use dy, what happens? I have to make x as a subject, that will become a problematic. So what I have to make y as a subject only. So to make that simple, what I am doing here, finding the intersecting points. So from this I got x is equal to 1. The minus 4 cannot be. This is neglected. Now intersecting point for this one, let us find. What is this? Is the x square plus 3x plus 2. And is equal to this value is how much? Minus 2. Minus 2. So minus 2 comes here, plus 2 will get. That is plus 4. What I am saying is this is minus 2, sending this side plus 2. So what I am getting here, x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Let us take common, x square plus 4x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. So take out x common, x plus 4 minus, I am going to get here 1 common. So this is not going to get here. Okay, this is not going to get here. X square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to, here intersecting is minus 2. Minus 2 send here plus 2. So which value will give you answer, right answer? That is required to know it. Y is equal to, is it minus 2? Yeah, y is equal to minus 2, not plus 2. So y is equal to minus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 send this side plus 2. So what I am going to get here, x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 is the solution. X is equal to minus 1 is the solution here. So I can get this one is x is equal to minus 1 line. So I have to find horizontal answer. So I got now you understood this is, I want to find as this area. So this area I am going to find. This is x is equal to minus 1 and this is x is equal to plus 1. Now I use the area and find the area. My aim to find the area, okay, not this values here. Finding this area will be the answer for this area. So area I am finding. How I am finding? Taking intersecting points. So integration, area is equal to, what is the formula? Integration minus 1 to 0. This is the y-axis. This is y-axis. So this point is 0 right here. So minus 1 to, this is x is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 1. So I am going to take as integration minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve minus lower curve. What is the upper curve here? X square plus 3x plus 2 minus area between two curves. Means these are the two curves. Area between two curves is upper curve minus lower curve on x-axis. So minus, the curve is minus 2. The curve is here, y is equal to minus 2 into dx. This is the area you get. Plus. Now what I am going to get? Integration. Now minus 1 to 0 over. Now 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is how? What is here? 6. 6 minus lower curve is what here? This is the equation of the curve. That is x square minus plus 3x plus 2 into dx. If you simplify this one, this area and this area, both areas same. So the answer is this one. Final answer will be this. Means a is equal to minus 1 to 0. You can see here minus into minus plus. I am going to get here x square plus 3x plus 4 into dx. Okay, plus integration 0 to 1. This is 6. Okay, this is minus 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 I am going to get here. 6 minus 2 is 4. Minus x square minus 3x dx. And just simply you can find this integration. This integration you can get the area is equal to, the integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus this one is 3x square by 2 plus this one is 4 into x, and I can substitute 0 to minus 1 plus. Now here integration of this will be 4x minus x cube by 3 minus 3x square by 2. I can substitute 1 to 0. If I substitute 0 0 and minus 0 if I substitute, that is vanished. Minus 1 I can substitute it. Already minus will be there. Minus into minus plus you will get. Here you just deal this one, deal this one. So minus into minus, that is not required. Here minus of this you will get, means minus 1 whole cube by 3 plus 3 into minus 1 whole square by 2 plus 4 into minus 1 plus this one. 1 you can substitute here. 4 minus 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2 you will get. Just you simplify. This is the area. I repeat one simple thing. Listen to me. Area bounded by f inverse x axis x minus 2 x is equal to 6. If you want to find, then of the function is given this way. This is not given. What we have made, if this area will be equal to